there is a lot of time to join in this airdrop, okay, but I will suggest you as much as you can fast you can join in this airdrop, because of here is just earning point. Every day you need to do certain tasks about like Zulu website using their blockchain, like doing bridge, doing transaction in their product. Okay, in their product mean stacking, bridging, swapping, all sort of thing. So okay, how do you join the thing? The first thing I will suggest you that maybe you are watching this video, therefore you are hearing me. So first do subscribe this button, and maybe you are watching a video, this video, check out this video's comment box. Okay, feel free way like let's say welcome, click on this comment button and you will see a link, and click on that link. That link will bring into you this year in this telegram channel. And what you need to do after that, you just click on this, go to here and open your browser, whatever extension browser you have. Feel free to use that. Okay, let's say I copy that thing and paste here. Okay, and that will be open. After a while it will take some time, but doesn't matter. The mindset, if I talk about getting money from Europe, is patience is needed everywhere, wherever you are working. If you want to get something, you need to provide some value first before getting money. So therefore the mindset should be like that, so your interface would be like that. And after maybe you have extension, maybe you are using QE browser, I'm using Mises, and you have MetaMask here, and click on connect wallet and click on Zulu Testnet. I already did, and click on MetaMask, and MetaMask will get notified by this website. And after a while the MetaMask will be pop up in front of your um, eyes, and what you need to do now is just approve them. So first thing first, you maybe while you created your MetaMask wallet, at that time you set your password, put that exact password here, and after a while you need to just change your maybe you know uh, network. If you are in network, maybe you are using you if you are new here, your network will be automatically they detect and use it. Like I'm showing you, I don't do that manually. Let's say I'm going exactly their browser through tab, and here I'm doing a refresh. Okay, because this page has been like disabled to click. So if I click now, if I click now, okay, that is pop up. Maybe you are okay. So click on this unknown, click Zulu network, and your MetaMask will be get notified. So if you haven't Zulu network, if you haven't Zulu contract address, do this thing and switch your account into Zulu. And yep, that is done. And back, and here we here we go. So maybe you're registered already. I am doing that like couple of days. So if you check this onboarding, there is couple of questions you have. So first thing first, your registration, you get 200 points totally free, and daily sign in, click on there, immediately will be done. Okay, click on here. Click on login, and your MetaMask will get notified by this login attempt. Okay, so loading is still, I'm trying to do that. I need to refresh maybe. Okay, MetaMask get notify anyhow, and the notify is get every time because of your one real owner of your account, because it is financial thing. therefore. Okay, so nothing complicated, easy to do, and your onboard has completed, and now you need to just do work here using Zulu Faucet. How do you get Zulu Faucet? You just take your EVM wallet, this address that you connected, that your MetaMask wallet, okay, MetaMask address, and go to your Discord, okay, like this, and join Zulu Testnet. So how do you get Zulu, you know, join Discord? Here we will get a link. You can get a link there, and here is Testnet Faucet if you see, and just mention Zulu Testnet Faucet and paste your address here. I already did, they will not provide me. Please wait for 24 hours. I did this one. Okay, sorry for that. So maybe it will be, I can do like 10 11 hour later, because I did that. I'm recording video now in morning, and I need to do this in the night. So now the next is transparent transaction. Go to your MetaMask. Maybe you get contact address. You already set up your Zulu token inside of your MetaMask, if you noticed. And here your Zulu, you have some Zulu because you get some token through this Discord. You provide your address and they provide you some Zulu. Immediately you will get, because I did that, therefore I have. Okay, click on this send button. You need to do 10 times, let's say 2. Okay, just put your amount here, and non-volatile token, it is faucet people call. Nothing, this have just using their website, how efficient their website, therefore they provide you some point, and that point you can convert into money. Okay, just using their website, you are doing something here. Okay, you're not wasting time, you are learning as well as earning. There is no time wasting here. The interesting thing is here in crypto spaces, there is a lot of people that don't know how to do bridge, how to do swap, that you are learning here. Even how to like, they don't know how to send crypto one account to another. So failed, no problem, that will be count. Just click on send, choose your account or paste your account there, and put your amount, whatever amount, just using their website, just using their network. That's it. So I'm showing you, maybe it will be long video, but it will not be possible to see you entire video step by step, because I'm showing you two theory step that will be easy to understand. Do that 10 times, because every day you have 10 chance to doing that. And come back inside of here. If you now refresh this thing, your transaction 10 out of 1. Okay, because 1 is failed. So do that 10 times. It is easy to do. And after that, come into swap, aram swap. Okay, here it has a link, or I will provide that link inside of the Telegram. You will you will get that answer to so easily. So click on that link, and that link will bring into you alarm swap, where people like, it is people call DeFi, like decentralized finance. No one control this thing without you. Anyhow, so here is your Zulu token will be showed, that is testnet token. And your you need to do connect your token here first, here, because I already connected. So I'm showing you disconnect, and like show it, that will be show to you like this. Click on connect, MetaMask already connected, and your token will be showed here. So select your, I will show ZBTC, and here put your certain amount doing swap. Okay, that will be that will be anyhow. If you get some problem trouble, and try over and over again, that will be best, because their website is new. you know they are in testnet, not in mainnet, therefore they are give you before going to mainnet, therefore they're giving you some token. Okay, that is interesting thing, because Without that test you cannot get anything from crypto. Okay, the thing is here your token will be showed, and put your amount here, certain amount, and do, and click on swap button, and your MetaMask will get notified by this transaction. And after that you should just confirm MetaMask, approve, confirm, and your swap will be done. And this task you need to do 30 times a day. Okay, that is taking some time. It will take some time because decentralized finance thing, and as well as it's testnet, it is not mainnet, it is not so fast, and your MetaMask, you know conversely, like talking to talking, your MetaMask get notified. So confirm your swap, and waiting for confirmation, it will be success after a while. Okay, so you are learning here that how to do swap. Okay, success, you did swap, your Zulu is gone to ZBTC. So now therapy time, I'm showing you therapy time. Do this, it will take some time. So before that I'm showing you step by step transaction to swapping to remove liquidity, add liquidity, all sort of thing I will show you. Okay, okay, so your MetaMask will get notified like earlier you did this way, and therefore you need to wait here slightly. Okay, already get notified MetaMask for being confirmed. So click on confirm, and your transaction will be success after a while. It is loading, MetaMask is approving. So okay, so okay, just one. If I do, my today's task would be done. Okay, now I'm showing a pool because of, if I go here, last thing is liquidity providers. Okay, Airdrop swap. Here they said users can earn 200 GDP by adding or removing liquidity on Airdrop swaps in a day. Okay, so come here, and I already add liquidity. Okay, first I will show you how to add liquidity because you don't know, you are new here maybe slightly. So first I will show you. So click on, maybe you are here, and click on this pool and add liquidity. Click on here, and here choose your ZBTC, and here put your amount that would be like um, you know that would be like half Zulu, half ZBTC. Like put your here, here is 0.0000, not on, and add liquidity. Click on here, and it is loading slightly. I'm showing you how to do this thing. It will take some time, couple of minutes, not minute, couple of seconds, sorry, and within that time you can done this task. And add liquidity we are doing now. After add liquidity, we will do remove liquidity, and our liquidity task has been done. Okay, your MetaMask already get notified by this adding liquidity, and your MetaMask is just confirm you that are you agree with that. Okay, I'm agree totally. Okay, so waiting for confirmation, it will be done after a while. Like don't it's never take as so much time. Okay, already succeeds. So now if I back click on here, maybe you are seeing ZBTC Zulu, you need to do first add liquidity. After while after that you can see this option my pool. So click on this minus option because I wanna remove liquidity here. So wait until here showed your balance. Okay, because it will take some time. So wait here. Okay, already showed, and click on this 100% and approve. Your MetaMask is get notified after a while. So wait until that. And here is just like in online, everywhere making money is need patience enough. Okay, without patience you cannot get anything in real life, in offline, in online, nowhere. So need patience everywhere, getting precise thing, getting valuable thing. So crypto is now is valuable thing, I would say, everywhere in this planet, in this world. You can do transaction by crypto, don't need to hesitate any transaction like going to bank, send transaction, a lot of things you need to do. Therefore, so the thing that has been easy, that did crypto. Okay, so thank you for that, and click here max, and this next button will be pop up after a while it will be like appropriate for you to doing. So wait here until uh, next button has been pop up. Okay, so already click on approve, and okay, your thing is done. Come back here. It will take some time, because maybe 2-3 hour after you check that it will be done. If you click on this circle button, it will not be done immediately. Okay, so and very risk transaction, it is a complicated task. Everybody get, this last task, very risk transaction. For that, you need to come into this three dot right docker option, click on this three dot, and underneath bridge option, click on here, and you need to connect your BTC wallet. Click on BTC testnet, click on Unisat wallet. You need to connect your Unisat wallet as well. I've already put in the Telegram what you need. Check out the comment box and join this offer. Maybe they provide you some, biggest money, I would say. And your BTCs pop up here. So how do you get faucet, BTC faucet? Okay, very simple. Okay, you need some first your wait you need first your, Unisat wallet address. Come into here, copy this address, Chrome or any browser, whatever browser we have, search BTC faucet, and I will suggest you definitely number second would be appropriate website for getting BTC faucet. Click, paste your address here, paste your address, and get bitcoins. Okay, and they provide you some bitcoin. If you noticed, your balance 0.00020. If I refresh this page, they provide you some bitcoin. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so you need to first come into Unisat wallet, cover Unisat wallet, and click on this setting button, and here is testnet option is available for you if you don't check. So my previous video I've already showed you everything. Okay, so now come into this website and put your MetaMask wallet here, because you are doing bridge here, like one network to another network, BTC to Zulu. Zulu is, maybe Zulu is cryptocurrency that is based on, there is another network that is, opposite of Bitcoin. So therefore, you are doing here bridging. So paste your MetaMask wallet here. You will get your MetaMask wallet is here, and paste here, and doing bridge. Put your amount here, how many money you can bridge. 4 5 6 7 8. Click on I have read, learned everything, and your user would be get notified if you have. Okay, click on sign to pay, and click on sign, and your own transaction has been done. Okay, okay, so like this way do that. Nothing complicated, easy to do. Okay, and after a while your all of tasks would be done. So check, 10-12 hours later your work would be done. Okay, so leaderboard you have, you can check. I'm in the 198 like ranking in the, you can do that, you will get something here. Okay, to 3 million funding maybe they have now, maybe it will be increased over days. So however, where you get this post link, check out this video's comment box, and I will definitely suggest you do subscribe. Click on this subscribe white button. I will be appreciated for you because you watched entire video. Thank you for that. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.